Hey y'all, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel for those of you who are new. So as you can see, I'm going to be sharing with you how I made these delicious oven baked chicken wings. I mean, look at that color. Do you see that shine? So I started out with 2 packs of chicken wings. These are the wingettes and the drumettes, and it's about 20 total. And I'm not telling you to clean your chicken, but look at the one on the left that is cleaned and look at the one on the right that's not. So once that chicken is all cleaned, I did pour some olive oil, melted butter, and chicken seasoning on top. Don't worry, the measurements will be down in the description. And then I went in with these seasonings as well. This is just onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, Italian seasoning, and paprika for color. So I'm just going to pour those seasonings right on top, and I'm going to take my time. And when I say take my time, you'll see. Take my time and thoroughly show love to each piece of chicken. I'm going to make sure every piece of chicken in this bowl is coated in that oil and that butter and those seasonings because I want the flavor all throughout. Now, my grandma always told me that when you cook your food fast, you can taste how fast the food was prepared because that flavor and that love that you look for will not be there. But hey, I'm just the messenger. So take heed to it, take your time, be patient, and show it love. But this is what my chicken looks like now that it's all coated in that mixture. And I'm just going to set this off to the side and grab the baking dish so that we can layer our chicken onto this pan. When you layer your chicken, you want it to be in a flat layer evenly throughout your pan. So take your time, make it nice and neat. And that's how you do it. Now, I did decide to leave this in the fridge overnight, but at least 1 to 3 hours is ideal just to allow those flavors to kind of seep into that chicken. And now I'm going in with a 1/4 cup of chicken broth just so that the chicken does not dry out. And then I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil. This part is very important. Please do not skip the aluminum foil, because you want your chicken to steam as it cooks. So it's going in the oven for 400 degrees for 40 minutes, and this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to take that juice and all of that flavor, and I'm going to baste the chicken. So I'm just pouring that goodness right on top, and then I'm going to sit it back in the oven for an additional 30 minutes. But this time I'm going to leave it uncovered. And the reason why you want to leave it uncovered now is because you want that skin to become nice and golden brown. Sorry, y'all. I'm getting tongue-tied over here. But yeah, you want your skin to be nice and brown just like this. Do you see that? This chicken was phenomenal. But wait, look at this bone. Look at this clean bone. I told you I was going to show you how to make some delicious oven-baked chicken. I told you. Not a dry piece of chicken in sight. Give this a try and let me know what you think.